Hello guys! Paano nga ba mag-apply ng SSS salary loan online in just 2 steps? First, upload natin yung ating bank details. So we are here now in the website of SSS. Then we will click the e-services. Then click the apply for salary loan. Then if you can see here, there are two options. So you need to present the PesoNet participating bank or e-wallet RTC CPO. Then SSS issued UBP quick card. So if you have a quick card issued by UBP or Union Bank of the Philippines, just click it here. But if you don't have a quick card, so let's click here because I only have ATM from other bank. This is the reminder in applying the salary loan. So just click the I certify, then click proceed. And then if you can see here, you need to enter your bank account or details and your mobile number. So PesoNet participant name, so I will select bank because I don't have e-wallet, RTC, or CPO. So I'll choose a bank and then select bank, put the bank account number, then confirm bank account number, and then click the select document type. So guys, because it's my second time to put my bank account details, because on the first time I upload is the ATM only, and then in my ATM there is no account number reflecting on the front of the ATM. So the SSS was not approve my bank details. So I will upload now the ATM with still no account number, but I will use the deposit slip reflecting my name and account number. So I will choose it and then click natin yung choose file. So if you can see, your bank account number will be submitted to SSS. Do you want to continue? Just click OK. So now you can see the bank details. So we will wait for the approval of the submitted documents and bank account details. Because SSS, they need to confirm it if the account number was really under our name, because joint account is not allowed or acceptable. Second, fill upan natin yung application form. Open natin tong e-services para tignan natin kung approved ba yung ating sinubmit na bank details. So, click ulit natin yung apply for salary loan. Ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, mayroon na siyang yung amount na pwede nyo ma-loan. So, ang pinaka-maximum niya ay 36,000. Wow! So, ibig sabihin guys, approve na yung aking bank details kasi ayan na, pipil upan na natin yung application form para sa loan natin, salary loan. So, ang maximum na pwede mong ma-loan ay 36,000. So, nag-increase sila kasi before 32,000 lang ang aking ma-loan. So, ngayon ay nasa 36 na ang maximum ko. So, i-choose na lang natin gaano ba yung gusto nyong ma-loan. So, yan. Siyempre guys, mayroon din yung deduction sa inyo, sa payroll nyo. So, kailangan nyong i-check ang kanilang kung magkano yung inyong kayang bayaran din monthly. So, ang interest niyan ay 1.5%. I-choose natin yung bank kung anong bank yung ating sinubmit at na-approve nila. Then, i-click natin yung I agree. Ayan, yung mga terms and conditions, guys, na dapat daw, andyan yung dapat mong malaman kung ikaw ba ay eligible or pwede kang mag-apply for salary loan. So, at saka yung pag-file din, ayan, yung loanable amount, kung hanggang ilan yung pwede mong ma-loan. And then, ayan yung schedule ng iyong payment. So, monthly siya. Yung interest and penalty. So, ayan guys, kailangan nyo yung basahin. Kasi kapag kayo ay hindi nakabayad on time, kayo ay mag-earn ng penalty. Kaya kailangan aware kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. So, mayroon siyang service fee, guys, ha. So, hindi buong 36,000 yung ating ma-loan. Kasi mayroon siyang deductible na service fee na 1%. So, 1% of 36. Yan ang service fee niya. Ayan. So, guys, ayan, basahin nyo na lang yung terms and condition na yan. Then, click natin ang proceed. So, ito guys yung computation natin. Then, submit na natin kung okay sa atin yon. So, may note siya, we are awaiting the certification from your employer. Your salary loan application will expire if your employer fails to certify on or before May 31, 2021. Once expired and is still interested, loan application must be filed again. Hintayin nating ma-credit sa ating bank account. So guys, ayan na. Na-credit na siya sa ating account. So, na-credit siya noong June 1. Guys, please take note, ang makikredit na amount lang ay loanable amount, less 1% service fee, less interest. So guys, ganyan lang kadali ang pag-apply ng salary loan online. And hopefully, nakakuha kayo ng information or natutunan nyo kung paanong mag-apply online. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It's me, Ann Filingera. Bye!